What I know, and I've worked with Fred, and I've learned a lot from him. He's among the people who have guided our thinking, and our journey now starts from 202. I'll tell you, 202, it's a long time to know somebody.
Sure.
To the extent that 207, we were there, and I told you that. So I'm supporting him, not only being a Kisii, but because of the things that he's going to. I think Fred is one of the exceptional people. And when you go everywhere, close the. You know, when somebody even goes all the way to work with World Bank, in a short notice that this is the right mind we need.
Yes.
And that tells you there is something more. The far they can go. Yeah. So we are supporting him because of the capacity. He's able to deliver. He's able to change what we are as a people.
Right.
And this one is going straight to Asavanto Baitu. Kakigo kororomonto watanga Fred ta konyara go koragas. Fred tarigo to konya. Fred tarigo chigo to konya. Fred is eba omonto to chole terogora morokobo nyira. You know, that is how bad it is. Gamrama in the news, and I'm using the same word, is the lot that we want to sort. Oroko mwano ite a lot. That tells you oinumonto tabuati utara alengere goso utabuata attachment na reality. The reality is onomonto very tested by every institution and is been able to deliver. So ekero gocha ayomo nyene understand it. I think you don't know where people have come from. Omanye to musigisi achagete kwa gacha Ruto over 20 years ago. Komo agacha. Na akora magoso wa mutekaino yoito karatiga. Do you know they have worked with him 20 years plus? So DM kararua abu karabe deputy moina kararua kara support Raila. Wago mo support. It is what we are as a people. That is the direction tori. Bono ga Fred na teba bono ga tuara karate turate nina. And that is normal for every society. Origereria baikoe bagacha tero bakorana no huru ba mwagachi te karibu another 20 plus bakuna miregashagwa intungi totagachiro yitu kanonzo no akua merere tari kamba ba mwagachi te gotabukia taratabuki into we are building ours is the only way to succeed as a society, as a community, and nationally as a people.